waste of money and waste of time.
कहीं भी कलर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे.
Look at my hair. Wow. Ta-da.
Hey everyone, this is Sana and you're watching Sana Vogue. So, in this video I'm going to do something crazy for the first time in my life. I'm going to color my hair and that too at home. The hair color I'm using is from a brand called Paradise. I was actually looking for a blue shade, but unfortunately it wasn't available on the websites I checked. So I decided to go with the berry plum shade instead. This is semi-permanent glossy hair tint, and the best part is that they mention that no bleach is required and that it's visible even on black hair. That's actually the main reason I picked this brand. These are all the instruction and steps on how to use the product, which seems pretty convenient. So let's open the box and see what's inside. The first product is the Paradise Color Care Conditioner with flax and quinoa. You are supposed to use this after washing your hair. The next one is the Glossy Cream Developer. And the third one is, which is the main product, is a glossy hair tint. It comes in a tube packaging and they have also included a pair of plastic gloves. You can mix the developer and the tint in a ceramic or plastic bowl. So I decided to use plastic bowl today. First, I'm adding the developer. It's taking little time to come out, so I'm shaking the tube a bit. After that, I'm going to take out the remaining product with my finger. Now the shade I picked is berry plum, but as you can see, the actual tint looks more violet in color. Oops, I got little bit on my hand. Now I'm squeezing out of all the remaining products and mixing both the developer and the tint together evenly. I also took out the leftover developer using my finger, and guys, I actually made a huge mistake here. You should never touch the developer with your bare hands. I completely forgot to wear my gloves and my fingers started burning. So please don't make the same mistake I did. Always wear gloves and follow the safety instructions mentioned on the product packaging. Now I'm taking the gloves from the package. Okay, let's start applying the color. But before that, I'm going to detangle my hair properly. Now I'm applying the color randomly to the ends of my hair. I'm not really concentrating on creating perfect streaks. I'm just applying it randomly. Mostly focusing on the tips because I have seen many people say that the color payoff is better on the ends. I'm making small sections and making sure I apply the color to each and every strands at the ends. I'm doing the same thing step by step until I have covered all the sections. Suddenly, I realized something. I forgot to apply oil to my skin. So now I'm applying coconut oil on my forehead, ears, neck, and the back of my neck. I'm also applying the remaining oil on my hands because otherwise the color might stain my skin. And that's it, I have finished applying the color, and look at my left hand are completely covered in color. After leaving it on for the recommended time, I washed my hair and applied the conditioner as well. But guys, look at my hair. I couldn't see any color at all. कहीं भी color नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. I was honestly so disappointed. All the time, effort, excitement, and even the money I spent felt like a waste. But wait, don't judge the result just yet. After 1 week, you might see this.
Look at this, guys. Color तो दिख रहा है, but after 4 wash, see. Ta-da. Ta-da. अच्छे से दिख रहा है यार. पहली वॉश में नहीं दिखा, but अभी after 4 wash, it's actually looking good. Wow. So front में दिख रहा है? Oh, look at this one. I didn't expect it this much. Okay, guys. फाइनली आफ्टर 3 to 4 वॉश इट्स विजिबल. सो ये जो प्लम रेड है वो अच्छे से विजिबल हो रहा है. अब पहली वॉश में मुझे विजिबल हुआ नहीं था, मुझे लगा इट्स वेस्ट ऑफ मनी एंड वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, बट नाउ इट्स एक्चुअली विजिबल. लुक एट माय हेयर. वाओ, this is the first time for me. So hope you like it. So let's meet you in next video. Bye bye.